Ruth, say hello.
Hello.
Guys, that's Ruth fetching water right there. Anyway, guys, welcome on today's videos. My name is Halobeba Official. So right now, guys, I'm shooting this video on Sunday. So as you can see, guys, the sky, how it looks like. It's blue in color. So right now, that's how we fetch water from here. Yeah, grab water from the tank. And yeah, that's one of my neighbor. So at the same time, guys, on tomorrow, I want to prepare myself how I'm going to work on my borehole right now, guys. So I'll see by tomorrow morning. Either I will bring the guy first from Migori and then take the measurement, and also the following day I'll go to look for the guy who will remove the soil from the ground. So right now, let me check my tablet. I take it, guys, you know. Wow. It's on Sunday, guys. I can't wait to go in Masai Mara to see an elephant. And actually, guys, all the wild animal which I'm remaining that I never see it is this one here, elephant. Only this one, and then game is over. I see buffalo, I see giraffe, I see antelope, gazelle, chimpanzee, you know, cheetah, tiger, lion, you know. I see everything, but except this one, you know. When I plan a day, man, I'll go to Masai Mara and then boom. And I think right now, guys, is the best time. Maybe some tourists come to Africa, going to the national park, game reserve, watching those animals. So, guys, I don't forget, because in the morning I was not around at home, so that's the reason why I take the medicine so late, you know. I'm remaining with tomorrow, you know, and then let me see, Monday, Tuesday, I'm gonna finish my doors, you know. So at the same time, guys, I was making some exercise, especially pressure, you know, every day, morning, lunchtime, let me say morning hour, lunch hour, and then evening hour. So per day, maybe I'm gonna make around 50 laps for the starting, you know. So maybe doing press up, you wanna do around 100, you know, per day. But for me, I'm trying to do 50 per day, a half of 100, and then when I get more comfort, I'll do 100, you know. So I think, guys, right now is the best time. Let me keep it here. I think right now, guys, is the best time to go in the river. There's some container here, guys, you know. I'm going to fetching water, guys. Inside here, this is 5 liter, you know. And then we're heading to the river. Yeah, fetching water for the drinking, guys. Hey, yeah. This is my normal day, you know. So, guys, come along with me up to the river. So the reason why being, I personally, I don't like to drink. Sorry, all this disturbing me. There's some insect, guys, disturbing me. So, guys, the reason being, me, I don't mind like drinking water, like raining water, guys. You know, I don't like to drink raining water. So we have water in the tank, you know. Me, I like to drink water from the river, you know. So right now I'm heading there, and yeah, even my mama knows, you know. Also, let me say, guys, for my entire family, only take water from the river, especially for drinking, but the rest we use for the cooking, washing utensils, washing clothes. But for the drinking one, man, It's from the river. So this is 5 liter. So it can serve me around let me say 4 days. 3 to 4 days. So guys, come along with me. So this is the best time to go to the river. You know. My dog is making chaos. And guys, today I didn't feel like to go with my bike. I left here. You know, you see the sun is just right here. You know. Wow. It's crazy. Heading to the river. Okay. Let's go, guys. Whew. Wow. So I need to prepare myself. So by tomorrow, I'm gonna wake up very early in the morning, going to Migori to see that guy. And then he came, he advised me how many Karabat going there. So we decide, guys, like to make the Karabat. No, going to buy the Karabat, which is have already made it, so it can't fit the borehole. So like we need to create which Karabats have some staircase, you know, where people can step going deep to wash the, like to maintain the cleanness. So probably yeah, you will see by tomorrow, guys. You will see by tomorrow, you know. Wow, let me go there and check our cows, because I'm heading to the river, you know. Yes, down here. Wow. Around the corner, Jesus coming. Around the corner, Jesus coming. Are you ready? Jesus coming. Yeah, me for sure, guys. I love Jamaican song, you know. Wow. And Jamaican song, it motivates a lot, you know. Wow. Look how the maize looks like in our village here. So I'm going to check. The cow is putting the poo. Hey, this one, my mama give me some history. It's like aggressive one, you know? Wow. So they're feeding here. Yes, relaxing here. Wow. My mama milk also this cow, you know. That one are pregnant. Maybe anytime, let me say in the month of September there to November, you will see a baby. Hey, they are putting food, guys. Oh my God. Right. Let's go, you know, and fetching water from the river. Me, I don't want, maybe when my friend visits me at home, I said, oh, I need drinking water. I went to my mama's house. No. I just have my own drinking water in my house. And then from this small container, you know. So guys, in case you're watching these videos for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Babe Official. So on this part of the vlog, I feel like to walk again, you know, to take you this way and then going to add the forest on the other side where I normally shoot the videos. So after this journey from the river, I'll take you there, you know, to see, you know, heading down. Yeah, I'm a village boy, born and raised in Africa. So going to the river is the normal thing, you know. And I usually going to the river back years, you know, fetching water for washing my uniform, bathing, you know, drinking, But going nowadays, it's not a big deal, guys. You know. Wow. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm trying to push myself every day. It's to push myself. I wake up. I said, God, thank you. Let me push myself. I shoot the videos, you know. And I have my solid subscriber outside there who take care of me. And then, man, you know, you really advise me. The way you see today, things move perfect. It's because of your good support by advising me, hello baby, you're supposed to do this and this. And I take your comments seriously, guys. Without you, man, I could maybe somewhere else chilling, sitting idle. And then at the end of the month, I haven't do anything. At the end of the year, I haven't do anything. You know, these are indigenous trees. Wow. Let's move. You can see right here. It's bring out a white gum which help the hunters to trap the birds, you know. Okay, let's go, guys. And also, guys, today is on Sunday. At the same time, people went to church. Also, people went to the markets for the basic day, guys, you know, or for the basic need. You know, people went to sell cow, you know, at least put something on the table. Others went to the market to buy cows to make more profits, you know. And on my side, I'm heading to the river fetching water. You know, guys, life is water. Without water, people will die. But what I believe, life is water. Or water is life. Water is life. Life is water. Vice versa. It depends. Alright, guys, let's go. See some cows here. Wow. Let's go. That. Yeah. The big truck passing here and then misleading the roads, you know. And yeah, guys, best is here to come. And also, guys, these are medicinal, you know. Free advice, guys. When you have a small kid, you can peel this one like this, and then you boil. You give a young or unborn baby, you know. Wow. Let's go, guys. I see people washing clothes in the river. Hey. Oh my God. You know, we just passing here at a normal day. Maybe these are medicine you haven't knew. Oh, guys, this is the river, and then this is the best time I can fetch water for drinking, because most people didn't come to the river. Wow. Alright. Yeah, guys, I was just seeing this small jerrycan here. Yeah, this is water. And also it serves people during dry season, you know. Yeah. Gonna put a little bit and then I raise the container. Village life. There's something push up this water. Guys, let me know at your country, do you fetch water like this for drinking? I know other people bought water from the shop, you know, which I have already treated, you know. But for us here, we drink water natural, you know, like no treatment. But it's good to treat water, guys. You know. There was a day when I came to the river, showing you where my mama fetching water over 20 years. People say that water is not clean. You can see, guys, it's purely clean, you know. It's purely clean. Bora, nataka kunywa maji eh? Njoo kunywa. I want to drink water. It's ready to cook food, guys. Shika, njoo chote kunywa. Nisaidie nijaze hapa kwanza. Yeah, they want to drink water, guys. Wow, 5 liter. Right. And also that's banana plantation on other side for the ripening one. You cut like this one here, you keep it in your house in a good place, and then it's ripe. So alright guys, we shall meet on the way. Wow. Let's go, guys. Now having water here. Wow. Coming back to the river, it's easy, but going toward, man, it's somehow hilly. You can see, guys. I have a long way to go. Right, if you're watching these videos for the first time, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. But right now it's a kind of a sunny day. Yeah, things, it's hot outside here. Whew. Yeah, let me rest a little bit, guys. Yeah, coming this way, going that way, it's hilly. Going down, it's slope, all slant, you know. Wow. Wow, guys. When it's hot, me I wear this shirt. It looks like You can see have some small hole for penetration of the fresh air. Yes. Alright, I'm a man because I rest around 5 minutes and then let's go. Oh my god. Yeah. So we go back home, you know. So guys, I want to say, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next vlog. So on today's videos, it's a pure nature walk in my village, and I never do it, you know, since I started this YouTube channel or my YouTube streets. I never doing a nature walk around my village. God is my witness. So today, no more riding of the bike, is to do an exercise, you know, taking you around my village. There's some entire village I never go since I started YouTube. I need to show you where, when we were kids, we went there to fetch water. I have already shown you where we're going to fetching firewood, so I'll take you there after this vlog. And also where we normally used to eat some fruits at one of our former MP since 1997, up to date, but he wanna pass away. He was passing away. May soul rest in peace. I'll show you all those places, you know. And on my vlog, it's pure nature walk at my village, you know. There's some places that I have already shown you when I was riding the bike, but today I feel like it's a pure nature walk, no riding of the bike, you know. Let me spend a day by walking around my village. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, guys. Alright guys, I have already delivered water, delivering water back to my home right there. So in case you're new, guys, this is where I'm coming from, and all this is where I come from. So I'm trying to change my home to the next level. And as we speak right now, guys, I want to take you that way, guys. I haven't go to other side, even I don't know how it looks like on other side, you know. So but we're just living in the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So from my home here, guys, from my home here right now, we want to use around maybe 20 minutes. We'll be in Tanzania. So yeah, we're staying closely. So, and also most of the shopping I normally make in Tanzania, because when in Kenya it's more expensive, we go to Tanzania. When in Tanzania it's more expensive, they came to buy in Kenya. So that's how, like, you're doing sharing and caring, you know, as a neighborhood country, both two countries, guys. And may I just say God thank you, because for those people staying near the border, man, they benefit a lot. They benefit a lot. So for this case, let me take you on this trip. It's a nature walk, guys. You know, give more likes, subscribe, and also don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Babe Official. I know I have those people who subscribe didn't watch, and also I have those people who watch didn't subscribe. And for those who people watch, please subscribe. And for those who people subscribe didn't watch, please watch, guys. Watch. You know, when you watch my videos and also you watch my ads, at least at the end of the month I do something, guys, you know. So when I finish up building my house, I'll open my own business, so for daily income, you know. I either to have maybe more than 3 motorbike, or I open a spare parts shop. That's what I'm thinking. And actually, guys, if I have maybe my motorbike and I lose some spare part, I can go to my shop, I buy, you know. And also, yeah, that's the best way you can create a good job opportunity, you know, to the local people. And what I believe, when you buy some when you open the shop for the spare parts can't go like expiry date. Metal can't expire, can't be get expiry date. So probably that's my big aim. And when I open the spare parts, I will look for the mechanic for the motorbike. I put them there, so when somebody came to make a motorbike, they can come to my shop, buy some spare parts. When they move out, there's mechanic there. They do this. They do service for the bike. That's my first priority, guys. You know, because most of the people say, "Hello, baby, why don't you invest instead of doing videos on YouTube?" Yeah, me, I will open that business, but YouTube, I'll do it, guys, because YouTube has changed my life. I can't like faking things. For those people who have been there watching my videos, you have already seen YouTube have been really transformed my life. And I want to say big shout out to David Jr. Guys, you can go and check him, subscribe, support him, guys. You know, although he was my mentor, at the same time, maybe I have a new subscriber watching my video, and then he or she didn't know who mentored me. Go and check David Jr., support him, guys. Also, he have another mega project at Nyabuhansi there. So that's where my life transformed, you know. Wow. So we're heading straight, seeing more things. I see onions plantation, do smell within here. Let's go this way, guys. Wow. So, guys, just keep praying for me. And yeah, my mom's dream house, which bring me hectic. One day I will finish up and then I'll settle down, open my own business, you know. But I will create the videos, guys, you know, every day, you know. Yeah, this is the opportunity to come here, guys. Also, these are indigenous trees. In our local language, it's not the sebe. This one is yeah, it's also used to trap. Also, the birds come here to eat the fruits. You can see plenty of them right there. I don't know whether it's fall down. Yeah, just over here. The birds likes these fruits to eat. You know, I will plan one day to come here in the morning. I'm gonna show you a lot of birds. You know, so try to remember these trees for our vernacular language. Entontira. It's known as Entontira, you know, Entontira in a vernacular language. So, but if you're watching these videos, let me go closer. You can see even the leaves, and then you can comment on the comment section, guys. When you peel it, it has some milk juice. You see right here, the white milk. So this white milk, when you combine to other trees, when I'm going to the river showing you, it's known as sebe. Man, it's touch when the birds step on this white milk, which is a gum. When it step here, man, the bird can't go, you know. So when I was a kid, I normally see my elderly people who are like older than me hunting the birds by using that trees, you know. But that time maybe we could have we could know about YouTube. I could create the videos and then I show you how people traps the birds, you know. I see some flower plantation, also banana. So I'm telling you guys, I haven't come here since day one when I was creating my videos on YouTube. This was my very first time to be here, and things have been changing here, guys, you know. Let's keep pushing, guys, you know. one day I will be there. I'm creating these videos every day, but what I believe one day it will pay me off. Yes. Wow. I don't know if these cows are very aggressive, but I need to walk far away. They're grazing here, so I'm heading this way, guys. But what I didn't forget, it's the direction. Direction stick on my memory, you know. So I'll take you long way. And yeah, down there you see a lot of forest. The black one, there's another beautiful house. You know, we have one of our neighbor who work in America, United States, and he was building a nice tall building, you know. And I realized that he came with that plan from America, because the tall building that we are seeing here is not what we expect inside there, you know. And if you're watching my videos on YouTube, there's a video I did when I was a handman inside there with one of our engineer who normally brings some blocks at my sites, you know. Let's move, guys. Let's move. Wow. Pure green, guys. You know. Wow. So right here I have two options, you know. Should I go that way or that way, guys? But this one is a shortcut, and going this way I'll take you long. Going that way, but go this way round. Yeah, let's go this way, guys. I'll show you where we're fetching firewood. Imagine all the way from my home. We normally collecting firewood here and there. Like when you see this one, for example, this one is already dried. You can see, let me jump, and then you see this one here, it's already dry, and then we cut it by using machete or panga. In our village, known as panga, but other places known as machete, you know. So we normally collect firewood here. Man, I just do this for remembrance, so I can remember this phrase. And my mama told us, like, what we are believing, without fetching firewood, my mama didn't buy you some a gift. So we normally compete with my brother, like who will fetch maybe a strong firewood, or yeah, like the big firewood. Man, I defeat my brother, but my mama didn't show up the reaction, you know. He bought us some gifts every day, as long as we fetch for her the firewood or collecting the firewood, whichever the case. It depends the terms how it's, maybe people can understand, maybe collecting firewood or fetching firewood. But for me, I believe it's collecting firewood, you know. So let's go. Here we go. You know, it's a little bit scared, but are we moving on? Look, also these trees are used to mixed up with bumpy banana, the small banana, and then it's dry up. Also another bananas, but nowadays it's not like a lot. We find once, you know. And also bumpy banana, it tastes so sweet. Trust me. One day Jamaican uncle tell us it's known as bumpy banana, the small banana. For us we call sweets, the small banana, but Jamaican uncle told us it's known as bumpy banana in Jamaican. Wow. These are finger millets, also sorghum, maize at the same time. They are really farmers. Banana plantation, you can see on this side. Yeah, you can testify, guys, right here. Doing this it's reminding me. Many people would say, hello baby, where are you heading to? Man, I'm just within my village here, and actually I'm heading this way, you know, getting this content in bush area. Wow. There's a homestead here, you know, louder music. Maybe I'm gonna pause my video, but let's keep pushing. And I heard down here there's a funeral, guys, within here. Man, I haven't come here since day one. Wow. So today I was showing you pure green nature, you know. Wow. See the roads that we have here, local roads. Wow. There is a home within here. You wanna see, guys? So I'm heading this way, going straight by myself. Yeah. At the same time, guys, I'm breathing fresh air within here. Like, this is a normal thing, you know, breathing fresh air from my village, you know. Let's go. That's how we fenced in local way. You wanna see from other side going up to that way. Yeah. But I remember the direction, guys. I didn't forget, you know. Wow. Also, this is a mixture farming. Sweet potatoes, tobacco, maize, corn. You wanna see that's tobacco plantation. On the other side we have sweet potatoes, you know. At the same time we have napier grass on these lines going that way, maize, corn. Man, yeah, that's the good thing that I came on this interior part of the village. Wow. We keep moving, man. We keep moving, you know. Things are very natural here in my village. You can see how the maize corn have really doing good, you know, and it's growing taller. But I'm heading down, you know. But at night, guys, back here, when my grandma gave us some histories, this place you don't want to pass at night because we have full of lions here, lioness, and one day it killed people, you know, here. Guys, sorry for using that term for killing people, because it's animal harms human being, you know. Sorry. Now I have my subscriber who didn't like to use that terms, you know, like shocking terms. Yeah, we normally fetching firewood also at this point here, you know. Yeah, the direction was this one here where the cow was grazing. I don't know how it looks like, but I'll testify, guys. See, so here they're collecting water for cow to drink. Well, cow is grazing here. So on the other side there's funeral, guys. That's how you heard maybe that sound came from. Yeah, I didn't forget, guys. I didn't forget the roots. Guys, you can see it's somehow scared passing here. Oh my god. But this is the best way I can choose to pass. You see? Wow. Let's move. I don't know that music can affect me, but we keep moving, guys. We keep moving. Imagine all the way from my home come this place when I was a kid, fetching firewood or collecting firewood, you know. Before YouTube, guys, I was been like that, you know, supporting my mama, taking care of my mama, you know. Finger millet plantation right here. Wow. Down here, people are really farmers, guys. Look where I'm passing, guys, from other side, heading that way, you know. Maybe people are watching this video, they wonder, maybe why do you passing on that bush area? That where that? Yeah, but I didn't scared, guys. It's a normal road, you know. Let's go. Kuna visara hapa, guys, means bush. You can see, guys. Hey. Ha. It's something else. Hey, I've already shown you finger millets, sorghum. Also this side here you can see plenty of them. On this interior part of the village, people are farmers. Also cassava plantation going that way. Look how things looks like, man, here. Hey. Wow, these are local trees here, you know. You heard the birds, guys. Where I'm standing right now, like no moving of the vehicles, noise from the industries. Shh. You heard the birds? You heard? Right here. You heard, guys? Yeah. You heard? It tells you, guys, I'm in interior part of the village shooting these videos. Also, the forest which I was creating the videos, it's bigger, somehow bigger. It reaches this point, going to other side. So I wanna pass here, and this land, it's the land of our former MP since 19th century. So they sold to the company, one of the companies that we have in our village here, Mastermind. Mastermind is the one of the company which buy tobaccos, you know. So like for my videos to pass here, you know, there is another Muram road down there. So all my videos is to pass here, guys, you know. Although we have the music there, louder music at the funeral, I don't know whether it can affect me, but I need to raise up my voice, you know. Where I'm heading to, follow these streets or bush road, all local roads here. You know, it's not a Spanish route. Wow. But guys, I feel so good to show you these things to the world, and we have other people who like village life, you know. Even me, I was born and raised in village. When I go to the city, man, life in the village, it's so nice. Okay, we keep moving, going that way. Oh my God, let's go. Wow. We have the noise for the insect, birds, right, left, center. Whew. Oh my God. Wow. So at the same time, guys, I'm speechless. I don't know how long of this video, how it is, you know, but I will try to push ourselves. Let's go. Nimechoka kweli guys. Yeah. I met one of the local mom also passing here, going that way. But I didn't like to film her because sometimes people bring issues. Wow, so finally guys, I'm just at the point where I was shooting the videos, and down here there's a, before this mastermind bought this land, there's a field here people normally used to play football. Yep, I was forgetting that. Imagine. But things which having the starting, it also has an end. Wow. Whew. Guys, the journey was so long, but wow, I make some exercise guys, because right now I feel like I'm sweating and then my body's just okay, you know. Yeah, because other people said, hello baby, why do you sit a lot on motorbike? I told you guys, sometimes I make some exercise, you know, and walking in the morning. Today I said, all right, I'm gonna make some videos showing you around. So guys, I'm planning, I don't know whether they can allow me one day to create a videos showing you local things at our former MP. You know, they have some histories stuff to his home, you know. But I'm trying to see for the nice guy, for the owner of that home, show me maybe one day guys. But my battery really tried this, guys. You know, it's around 10%, but I'm creating the videos guys. You know, I love to pass on these trees. I like that view, you know, like going in front. Guys, I'm so tired, but I'm keep grinding so hard, you know, as we go. Hey. Wow. On my today's videos is to pass on the bush, like no movement of the vehicle today guys, because my normal vlog I was going to Border Town buying this and that, and actually even tomorrow I'll create a video going to Migori looking for the guy. You know, we consult and we put everything in order. Let's move. Let's move guys. This is a beautiful forest here that we have. Wow. Right. We keep moving guys. So I wish you guys a happy Sunday. You know, I'm creating this video on Sunday noon time, so everybody have already come from church, and we just at home. And also yeah, all of my family we just back at home. So maybe by tomorrow morning, as my young brother and sister went to school, other brother went to hustle, at the same time, hello baby, I'm going to look the guy to give me some quotation for the material again, and then the measurement. The following day I'll look the guy who will come, like let me say the engineer who dig the borehole, removing the sand out, and then the next day is to bring the guy to do to create that carabat on the ground, you know. So that's the work that I want to do by this week, which we're going to start a fresh week, and I'm remaining with around 2 weeks to say the month of June goodbye. You know, we have already reached half a year, you know. That's from January to June. From June to December, that's also 6 months, because we have July, August, September, October, November, December. That's 6. So we are the half of a year, you know. Wow. So a year contains 12 good months. That's around 365 days. That's 1 year. Hey guys, I do those things when I'm in primary school, like mathematically. I know those things up to nowadays. And guys, I don't want to blag things. In science, in my primary level, in science, man, I was perfect. Science, Kiswahili, and also social study. I was perfect. Somehow mathematics, like not that much good, but in terms of sciences, like science, to show people's natures, cloud, animals, I was perfect on that. And also drawing, you know, art and craft. When my dad, he was alive, he shows how to draw the image of maybe somebody else, the image of a cow, the image of a person, you know, the image of a car. My dad was a good artist, so we had those things. Up nowadays, I know how to do. Also, my brother know how to do. But I didn't testify my young brother, you know. But I, myself, and also my second brother knew how to do art and crafts. Wow. Still moving, guys. I'm so tired. The cagots. I'm so tired like a goat, you know. But it's good to walk around in my village, making exercise. That's the way of making an exercise, you know. And then when I go down, I'll take you that way, going back home, you know. Yeah. So these videos, guys, it could take around 58 minutes to 1 hour. The good thing that I'm shooting videos, longer videos, it's to create, let me pass here, guys, is to bring people on a chat. They can chat, bring their minds together, advising me, guys. But for the reasons, I can shoot the shorter videos around 15 minutes and then boom, you know. But one thing which they've advised me, the more you put videos, the more success is coming. The more you put longer videos, the more you get watch hour. But for my good subscriber, watch these videos till the end. It's a kind of a series, you know, but somehow motivates, you know. So let's go, guys. Yeah. So where I normally pass going to Nyabuhansi, I use that road on upper side with my bike, you know. So today, man, my video will rotate within my village here. Wow. So right now I'm heading home. You just believe it on that. I'm heading home. Yeah, this medicine are very common in my village. especially for the kids. When I'm going to the river, I'm showing you. But on this side also, I found it right here. See? And it's smelling like the cooked rice. Oh my god. And also on the other side we have the deep back here where we bring the cow to wash the ticks and flea, you know. But nowadays I didn't. Let me stand here, guys, where we see some green flowers right there. There's some deep, you know. Our former MP created that structure here or project. But nowadays, when he passed away, things are not okay. Even you see, he doesn't have good roads. It's hard to imagine when he was a leader, this road was supposed to clean from down up to his home. That's my dad bring the history. He's supposed to do that so he can get a source of income, you know. Hey guys, for sure back here is my parents, they're really working so hard, struggle so hard to make sure that the kids eat. Yeah, but if my dad could be alive, man, you could see the reaction, you know, for my dad. And he was perfect in English, like in grammar he was perfect, and he was very genius. You know, he can speak, and then you think that he came from maybe United States of America, saying good morning. That's my dad, man. So keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. Think. Oh guys, I'm supposed to do some passing on this beautiful forest, but I see no space where I can pass. So yeah, but at the same time I don't want problem with my neighbors, you know, doing trespassing. That's not good. So this side going to our former MP, this route. Going that way, guys. Okay, that's people's home, you know. Oh my god, the struggle starts again, passing inside here. These are another routes, guys, you know. But we keep grinding, guys, you know. Imagine from morning I spend around 3 good hours walking. That's a pure an exercise, guys. So that being said, inside this nice forest we have a nice house and I love it. And also back, let me say, in the year of 2022 I was working there as a handman, and that's where I knew my engineer who come at my home bring material site. Also this is a medicine, guys. You see this, it's smelling good. When maybe the young kids start maybe scratching at the back, you peel this, you crush, and then it looks like soft. You mix with a little water, and then you take a syringe, like you press it around maybe 2.5 ml, and then you squeeze to the kids who's scratching at the back. Guys, I think you already know what I'm trying to mean. This one here, this one, and also is a nice tissue, you know, local tissue. This one here, I'm telling you, this one free of charge, guys, you know. Even you can see other people are peeling because it's a source of medicine. You see within here, people try to peel it. Look how it looks like within here. So yeah, we're so blessed, man. Sometime we found the local medicine alongside the road, you know, inside the bush. Hey. Whoa, look, it's plenty of them. Also, you can peel like this. We do like this. At the same time, we have also other medicine. When the fruit catches you, you squeeze and then you sniff. Like, I'm trying to find it, guys. When I get it, I'll show you. Also, guys, I see another medicine here. This is not, no, it's not this one. Let me show you. Yeah, it's this one here. You see, you peel these leaves, guys. Sorry for the noise. We have the tractor there, and then we do like this, you know, like this, and then, guys, you do like, and then, guys, the flu can't like catch you. That's a source of medicine. Yeah, we have the tractor here. Gichwadi! 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 Okay! We have one of my friends plowing there. Inside there. Oh my god. I found the cow here. I don't know why this aggressive one again, man. Yeah. They're grazing. Wow. Wow. So, guys, me, I think I want to end my videos here. It's plenty of them. You can see those medicine for curing the flu right here. It's plenty of them. Look, we have another one, that one here, another one, that one here. So it's plenty of them. So, guys, me, I think I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much for the love and support. And, guys, without you, maybe I could be somewhere else chilling with no idea. You know, through you guys, a lot of things are here to come, you know. And also, guys, remember, I'm going so hard to build my dream house. That's the first priority, and the first thing make me to push every day. I wake up, I said, God, thank you. Today I'm supposed to do a video, and then some ideas start coming to my mind. So, guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. So if maybe I hurt somebody outside there, please forgive me. And also remember to watch my videos, subscribe, share. And what I believe, guys, in this world, no human is perfect. You know, today I want to make a mistake, guys. Or today I want to hurt maybe somebody else, and then without know myself, but I've just been there watching my videos, you want to advise me, hello baby, here you make a mistake. Man, I'm a human being. If you correct me today, I'll never repeat the same mistake, you know. So, guys, let me end my video in good way, and also I wish you blessed Sunday, guys. Bye.